Welcome to this complete Edinburgh travel guide. Prepare to be charmed by a city that effortlessly blends ancient and modern, where every cobbled street and grand edifice tells a story. This is Edinburgh, a place steeped in history and culture, where the old coexists with the new in a dance as timeless as the city itself. Edinburgh is a city of contrasts, from the brooding majesty of its castle perched atop an ancient volcano to the bustling vibrancy of its festivals. Its stunning architecture, a blend of medieval tenements, neoclassical grandeur, and contemporary innovation, is a constant reminder of its rich past and promising future. Here, literature comes alive in the birthplace of iconic characters and legendary authors. And let's not forget the city's penchant for throwing a party, hosting some of the world's biggest cultural festivals. Join me as we explore the enchanting city of Edinburgh, a place where history and culture come alive. Our first stop is the majestic Edinburgh Castle, perched high above the city on an extinct volcano. This imposing fortress is steeped in history, having witnessed many a battle and royal intrigue. The castle has served as a royal residence, a treasury, and even a prison for enemies of the state. One of the most iconic features of Edinburgh Castle is the 1 o'clock gun. Every day at precisely 1 o'clock, a gunshot echoes through the city, a tradition dating back to the mid-19th century, when it served as a time signal for ships in the harbour. From the castle walls, the views over Edinburgh are nothing short of breathtaking. On a clear day, you can see for miles in every direction, a remarkable panorama that encompasses both the historic and modern faces of this vibrant city. The Edinburgh Castle, a timeless beauty that continues to watch over the city, just as it has for centuries. Let's stroll down the historic Royal Mile, leading us from the castle to the splendid Holyrood Palace. Drenched in centuries of history, the Royal Mile is an iconic stretch of cobbled streets lined with charming medieval architecture. It's a journey through time, with each step revealing another layer of Edinburgh's past. It's where you'll find the city's heartbeat, pulsating with the echoes of bagpipes and the whispers of ancient tales. At the end of this magnificent mile, we arrive at the grand Holyrood Palace. This regal residence, with its ornate facade and luxurious interiors, is the official Scottish abode of the British monarch. Its history is as rich as its architecture, with stories of royal banquets, political intrigue, and even murder. Today, it stands as a symbol of Scotland's enduring connection with the monarchy. The Royal Mile and Holyrood Palace, where history and royalty intertwine. Next, we venture to the great outdoors with a visit to Arthur's Seat and Calton Hill. Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano and hill located in Holyrood Park, offers a delightful hike with rewarding views. As you climb, feel the Earth's ancient history beneath your feet. The panoramic view from the top is a stunning spectacle, showcasing Edinburgh in all its glory. Moving on, we reach Calton Hill, standing proudly at the east end of Princes Street. This hill is crowned with a collection of monuments, each telling a piece of Edinburgh's rich history. But it's not just about the past. The view from Calton Hill presents a vibrant picture of the present. As you gaze over the city, the juxtaposition of the old and new, the ancient and modern, is a sight to behold. Arthur's Seat and Calton Hill, where nature and cityscape meet in perfect harmony. We now dive into the rich cultural offerings of Edinburgh, with the National Museum of Scotland and the serene Princes Street Gardens. The National Museum is a treasure trove of history, showcasing artifacts from the ancient world to the present day. Imagine walking through time, experiencing the evolution of human civilization, from the earliest hunter-gatherers to the digital age. It's like a time machine, but without the paradoxes. Now let's shift from the grandeur of human history to the tranquility of nature. Nestled in the heart of the city, Princes Street Gardens offer a stunning green oasis. Imagine strolling along the beautifully manicured lawns with the imposing Edinburgh Castle as your backdrop. It's a place where you can leave the city's hustle and bustle behind and immerse yourself in the peace of nature. The gardens are a testament to Edinburgh's love for balance, effortlessly blending the urban with the pastoral. The National Museum and Prince Street Gardens, where culture and tranquility coexist. Treat your senses at the Scotch whisky experience before stepping back in time in Edinburgh's Old Town. Imagine a journey through the world of whisky, where an interactive tour introduces you to the craft of distilling Scotland's most famous export. From the barley fields to the copper stills, you'll get a glimpse into the magic that transforms simple grains into liquid gold. And then there's the tasting, a sensory delight that reveals the nuances of different whisky regions. From there, let's amble down the cobbled streets of Edinburgh's Old Town. It's like stepping into a different era, with centuries-old buildings, hidden courtyards, and historic sites around every corner. This is the heart of the city, where echoes of past lives resonate in the stone and timber. There's a narrative here, told in the architecture, the narrow winds, and the timeless charm of this remarkable city. The Scotch whisky experience and Edinburgh Old Town, where tradition and timelessness meet. Finally, we find peace and tranquility at the Royal Botanic Garden, Edinburgh. This verdant gem in the heart of the city is a horticultural wonderland, home to an astounding array of diverse plant collections. From the towering trees of the Arboretum to the delicate beauty of the Alpine Garden, the Botanic Garden is a testament to the incredible diversity of our planet's flora. Stepping into the stunning glasshouses is like entering a different world. Each one is a microcosm of a unique climate, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, providing a home to a wealth of exotic plant species. The Victorian palm house is particularly noteworthy, with its elegant architecture, a splendid backdrop for the lush greenery within. The serene landscapes of the garden offer a soothing retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're strolling along the tranquil Chinese hillside or unwinding by the peaceful pond, the Royal Botanic Garden is a true sanctuary. The Royal Botanic Garden, a soothing oasis in the heart of the city. As our journey through Edinburgh draws to a close, we reflect on the city's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. We've explored the grandeur of Edinburgh Castle, a historic fortress perched on Castle Rock, a testament to Scotland's turbulent past. Walking down the Royal Mile, we've been immersed in the city's rich tapestry of history, leading us to the stately Holyrood Palace, where the Queen resides during her visits to Scotland. We've marvelled at the breathtaking views from Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano and hill located in Holyrood Park, and Calton Hill, home to iconic monuments and buildings. These natural high points offer a panorama of the city that's hard to beat. We've stepped back in time at the National Museum of Scotland, soaking up the nation's fascinating history and culture. And we've taken a leisurely stroll through the Princes Street Gardens, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. We've experienced the warm hospitality of the Scots at the Scotch whisky experience, learning about the art of whisky making and the role it plays in Scottish heritage. We've wandered through the atmospheric streets of Edinburgh's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage site where every corner tells a story. Finally, we've discovered the serene beauty of the Royal Botanic Garden, a paradise of plants and a testament to Scotland's commitment to conservation and biodiversity. But our journey doesn't end here. Edinburgh is a city that continues to evolve, yet remains deeply rooted in its past. It's a city where every stone has a story to tell, where every pub has a tale to share. It's a city that invites you to explore, to discover, and to fall in love with its charm. Edinburgh is not just a city, it's an experience of history and culture, of nature and science, of whiskey and warmth. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its cobblestone streets behind. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Edinburgh. Until next time, safe travels.